Behind us are two beacons, the green one and the red one, and we shall sing here. Beacons in the night, we are so proud of them. Beacons in the night, from Pennsylvania to Slovenia. Beacons in the night, we'll remember them forever.
Forever.
Yeah. Jody, Tommy,
Piran.
and Gregor, Piran, for the very first time from the USA to Slovenia.
Warm. Come on in. Nice. My first time in the Adriatic Sea.
Yes.
There it is. Very good.
So funny. We were laughing about a lot of things. Jody discovered that in Slovenia it is possible to buy a purple toilet paper. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am on the road and it's a nice day. We are in the middle of June and I have to say that I was quite busy the last 14 days. And what was going on? What happened? All those things were very, very pleasant, and I just have to tell you that I got a visit, and it was a special one. We met near Postojna.
We are in Portorož.
Portorož, yeah.
Portorož.
On the other side it's Croatia.
Let's go to Bosnia. Let's go.
Yeah, far away.
Let's.
It was a couple, and they were from, they were from the USA. So this is really not frequent to meet somebody coming to see you from the USA. It is quite a distance, as you probably know, guys, but it was just like I said. So a couple came to my area and we met. A very, very nice time we had together.
Mangoes is probably refreshed. Oh, what's that one?
Tommy G,
Vanilla.
it's getting the ice cream right now.
Yes.
Very nice.
Hvala, hvala, thank you.
How do you say ice cream?
Ice cream, sladoled. Sladoled.
Sladolit.
Sladoled.
Sladolet. Sladolet.
Sladoled, yeah.
Sladolet. Say
Sladolit.
fast. Sladolet.
Vanilla.
Vanilla, yes.
One.
Sladoled one vanilla.
Yeah. Sladolit vanilla.
Today is banana.
Cola, cola.
Prosi, prosi. Very delicious.
Orange
Very
and lemon.
Orange and lemon.
We did a lot of things. I was their guide, and for those of you who watched my short, that one with two guys, I mean with a couple with my logo on their t-shirts, that was it. So it was on a sunny day in June. I think it was on the 5th of June that we met, and I said this is a great opportunity to know each other. They are my subscribers for a long time now. Yeah, very nice, very nice. I am filming everything because we need some proof for KGB, you know,
Oh yes, yes.
in case they catch us.
Run.
Yeah, okay, shake hands, yeah. writing to me during the winter, and they said that they would like to come to Europe, and you know, when Americans come to Europe, they do always the whole trip, I mean a circular trip, and they stay for 2, 3, 4 weeks, it really depends, and it was similar here, so we were in contact, and then that D-Day happened. I was very, very happy that it did, and what we did together, what we experienced was really my pleasure. I will remember it forever.
Triest. Rent a boat.
And you know, from going sightseeing just here around to sightseeing to Slovenian coast, I mean Piran was the final destination that day. They said that the town is a very, very unique one, and a nice place to be, to stay, to discover. We were going around the coast there, and we were having fun, guys. We also visited Triest, because Triest it's a well-known city because of coffee. You know, all of you probably know about Ili. This is a great brand, a very, very quality brand in my opinion, and we were there at the famous coffee shop. That it's almost 200 years old, and we were discovering a bit Triest too, like I said. Overall, it was very nice to be in the cave. I mean the Divačka cave, cave of Divača could be said also. It's a small cave, but still very interesting. They say that it is a part of the larger cave system from Škocjanske cave. Škocjanske cave are part of the UNESCO heritage from 1986, and they were amazed by the beauty of our Slovenian underground world. And to be honest, it was my first time in this cave. I visited many times the Škocjanske cave and Postojnska cave, but this one not. So it was the first time for me too. After we decided that it is time to visit the capital of Slovenia, Ljubljana, and we spent almost the whole day in Ljubljana, from Tromostovje to the Ljubljana castle, to the grave of the heroes, parliament, and so on. We even used the electric car, you know. The guy there was very, very kind, and picked up us 2 times, and I am really, really happy that we had such a great time, you know. They also ate some Slovenian food, like ricet and the Slovenian version of goulash, and they said, at least what they said is that it was delicious. So I am glad that it all went like it went, and they were my guests, and you know what? Now they are touring Europe. I mean, now that you're watching this video, they are probably already at home. But they said that their plan is to go to Austria. I mean, firstly Slovakia and then Austria, and then go on a tour to reach Großglockner and use the Can-Am spiders there, and that is just an experience in my opinion, and I have to ask them how it all went, because I am curious too. Let me mention their names, Jody and Tommy, and their channels, Purple on 3 for her, and Tommy G for him. I am glad that we had a great time, and that it was so funny. We were laughing about a lot of things. Jody discovered that in Slovenia it is possible to buy a purple toilet paper. I mean, this is something usual. It could be different in the USA, but like I said, she was quite surprised, in my opinion. What to say more, guys? I mean, sightseeing, going around and having fun. It was just nice. It was nice. It was my pleasure. What else did we do? Did we see? We went to Štanjel. This is a nice, not even a town, but a village on the top of the little hill, and it's mostly known because of the castle and the famous Ferrari's garden. We were there, and it was just amazing. This is what Tommy and Jody said. You know, a very nice architecture from Max Fabiani, a well-known Slovenian architect. I did enjoy it too. I was there many times, but it's always nice to go there again and again. We visited also some areas, some sites that were on the road. Via World Wide Web, you will see that Venetian lion was on every building that was very important. When we were driving to Piran, and this is Socerb, one castle more. Slovenia, it's very well covered with castles, and this one, it's a very recognizable medieval castle, and as you can see it now from the photos and the clips, it is just worth going there if you are in the area. You can also watch my video about the Socerb castle. Check my playlist Discovering Slovenia too. There you can find also other Slovenian tourist attractions. I hope that you will enjoy. This is all now. This is everything for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. I have plans to go to the USA. We'll see how it will all went, and you know, never say never, they said, and I'm gonna respect it. Thanks for watching, guys. Till the next one. Ride safe.